In this tutorial, we're going to create a text glitch effect that transitions into a video in behind it. So if you're interested, follow me. Create 3 video tracks. And the last one, insert text media. Call this. And you want a thick font for this. So I'll use Impact. I think it's a little longer. Copy. Paste the second track. Now the media generators, select test pattern, select SMTPE bars to the first track. In the video effects, select TV simulator, select reset to none, drag it to the first track. This can be set to 0, it's not going to matter. Now in compositing mode, select custom, select Sony displacement map, click OK. And these can be adjusted to taste, however aggressive or conservative you want. It's up to you. That's good. Edge pixel handling, select wrap pixels around. Alpha channel scales RGB channels, select that. Under properties, under stereoscopic 3D mode, select anaglyphic red cyan, click OK. Under video effects, select stereoscopic 3D mode, or adjust, drag it to the second track, adjust the taste. Now let's make this a little smaller here. Right click, copy, paste. It's good. I have to split the second track. So with the S key, and split these and remove the excess. So you're left with this. Perfect, just what I want. Now we're going to render this. So select that and render this. Render as, call it render it. It's good. Now you can delete all the tracks and create 2 new video tracks. So let's import a video effect right there, and also let's import that one we just rendered. Desktop renders. Gold. Take it to the first track. Delete the audio. And delete the audio track. Grab your video. Now on the first track, event pan and crop. Select the cursor right about here. Should be good. And now let's zoom it all the way in to the C. Just like that. And the compositing mode, select the multiply mask. Like that. And when you play it back, it glitches and reveals the video in the background. So if you're interested in trying this, give it a try. And you can experiment with this. And try different things and experiment to your own taste. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.